So glad you're gonna get your makeup at your party. It's gonna be so cute.
No.
So
okay.
let's give you.
Let me give her my
let's
ear.
give you a little ears.
She'll stay still for my ear.
Unicorn ears and unicorn nose and unicorn cheeks. Can you close your eyes softly?
Close your eyes.
Good girl. Gotta have your pretty makeup. Oh my gosh, I want this to be the best ever. Okay? You're doing a good job.
You're doing a good job.
You're doing a great
Close your
job.
eyes again. Close your eyes.
Last side.
Last time.
Then you get sparkles.
You want sparkles?
And I gotta dry it.
There you go. Awesome.
See so
Shria.
far? So far. But you need sparkles, because it's your party, right?
You're gonna get some sparkles.
Sparkles.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
So I'll close your eyes for you.
There you go.
Sparkles. Sparkles. So pretty. So pretty, so pretty.
There
Now
you go.
You're gonna have your unicorn horn, right?
Lincoln.
Do you want your horn to be silver or gold?
Welcome.
Lincoln, can you give Levi a hug?
Silver or gold?
This is the only way.
Silver? Okay. Silver horn for a good girl. And let's see. Okay, your unicorn on your cake has purple hair, so let's give your unicorn on your face purple hair too. Oh, here, let's show you. So far,
Ooh.
this is your unicorn hair.
Oh, unicorn
Oh, you gotta have
hair.
your hair.
That's unicorn hair.
Unicorn hair.
Yeah.
And here, will you hold this, honey? Will you hold that so you got it with your hand?
Hold it.
Can you use it? Can you hold it with this hand too?
Oh, there you go.
Okay. You're thirsty, honey?
Oh, you want some
So I'm
juice?
gonna give you some
Go.
hair
Mommy
on
got
this
juice.
side.
Darsh. Juice. Mia wants some juice.
And I want to give you some hair on this side.
Ooh.
So very, very pretty. Now let's see. Now usually, now, we just need to draw your ears.
Ooh, that looks cute.
That's
Look
a
at
good girl.
Look at.
And I have to do a line right here so
You're
that
gonna do
people
one more.
want people to see that you have ears.
You got ears.
Now I need to draw your horn, okay? Because I want people to see that you have a horn.
You got
And
a horn.
when we paint it, we make it look like a little party hat. See?
Oh.
Looks like a little party hat.
Look at that. You got a
Right?
horn.
And then we gotta do the other side of our ear. Right?
Oh.
You are such a good big girl on your birthday.
Awesome job, Shria.
You're such a
Look
big
at-
girl on your birthday, honey.
Ah.
Good job. And then we're gonna draw our hair. I want everyone to be sure with no questions that you are a unicorn, okay?
You're a unicorn.
Everyone's
You
gonna
got
know.
Wow.
Everyone's gonna know. Now usually the unicorns have a little bit of eyelashes.
Oh.
A little bit of eyelashes. Hold still, sweet girl. Good job.
Yeah.
What a darling. And I want to draw a little more hair. And can I see you, baby bear? A little more hair. How come you're such a good girl, huh? How come you're such a good girl? Wow.
Awesome job, Shria.
Birthday girl.
You want to look at the
did it.
mirror?
Yeah, I made a little smudge. Let me cover that up. Do birthday girls get lipstick?
Oh, you want
Do
lipstick?
they?
You want lipstick?
Birthday girls get lipstick.
You're gonna get lipstick.
Let's see. Of course they. Do you want?
Yeah.
You don't
Go
want
like this.
no lipstick?
Chopstick. Chopstick. It's
You
chopstick.
want to make moochy lips?
Chopstick. There you go. There you go.
She did it.
Yeah.
She did
Chopstick.
it.
Look at your.
And then I'm gonna draw the unicorn has little cheeks. Little cheeks.
Ooh.
Good. And another curly on her hair.
Oh wow. You look very pretty.
Boy, you're doing a good job, honey.
Look at that. You look very pretty. You a unicorn. Ah, there you go.
Princess, you are the prettiest thing I ever saw.
Say cheese. Say
Happy
cheese.
birthday. The camera out or it's filming.
Okay.
Here we go. There we go. Let's see. There we go. I just want to make sure I can get as much as I can. This should come out blue. Okay, there's blue. And then let's do this one. This one's going to have a blue face. Daddy's making a movie of you so you can see it later, right? But you'll be so happy. You'll be like, oh boy, I had such a special day. And now I want to see my movie. Wow, so pretty, honey.
Can I see the hand? Let me see the hand. Oh.
And you know what I really love to do? Your sister got snow.
Hey, Darsh.
But you are a unicorn, and unicorns I like to give the moon.
The
If I can
moon?
find the moon. The moon. Oh, there it is. This is my absolute favorite necklace for a unicorn. It's the moon. So let's give you that. That'll be so pretty for you. Is it still filming for her? Yep. Okay, let's see. Okay, chin up.
Hey, Tati, over here.
Okay. Okay, close your eyes. Don't open.
Oh, you got the
Good
moon.
job. She got the moon.
You got the moon.
She did it. Want to see? Here, let's have a lookie. So magical. How come you're so magical? How come you're so pretty? How come you're both so good? Good job, birthday girl. Good job. Can you wave bye-bye? You both wave bye-bye? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Hi. Can you wave bye? Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday.
Good night.
Good night.